What's going on, guys? It is your boy, Mr. Noland. Guys, did y'all see the news today? It is snowing here in San Antonio. I mean, just look behind me. I'm just kidding. All right, guys, so today I'm going to make a quick video on ratios and rates, but we're going to be graphing them in from a table. So let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, so here we go. Robert is selling popcorn for the baseball tournament fundraiser. Oh, here we are. One customer bought 3 boxes and paid $12. If each box is the same price, what is the price of 1 box of popcorn? So guys, if you look in your table, you see where it says number of boxes? That represents your X, which is your X-axis. The price is your Y. That is your Y-axis, up and down. Okay? Well, let's see if we can find a scale factor. How would you go from 3 to 12 using the multiplicative comparison? Well, easy, multiply by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 1 times 4 is 4. So 1 box cost $4. 2 boxes cost $8. 3 boxes cost $12. Well, let's go ahead and graph this. Guys, if you buy no boxes of popcorn, doesn't that cost you nothing? Oh, I forgot the most important thing. We need to label our axis. So the X-axis is going to be number of boxes. The Y-axis is the price. All right, so we all agree. If you buy no boxes, it costs you no money. If you buy 1 box, it's going to cost you $4. So I went over to 1 box, up to $4. 2 boxes cost $8. So here's the number of boxes. I went to 2, and then for the price, I went up to 8. 3 boxes is $12. So I went to 3 boxes here on the X-axis, and then I went up to 12 for the price. Connect the dots. You'd have a nice linear graph. So what are my equivalent ratios? Well, 1 to 4 is equivalent to 2 to 8, which is equivalent to 3 to 12. Guys, that's literally it for graphing. It was that hard, I know. All right, so let's look at the next one. Ooh, look at this one. This one, it's already graphed for us. We're going to fill in the table. The X-axis is time worked in hours. So this is my X. The Y is the pay in money. The first number in the ordered pair represents your X, which is the number of hours. So I'm going to label all my X's right now. Your second number is the Y. That represents how much money you got. So if you worked for 1 hour, you made $15. If you worked for 2 hours, you made $30. If you worked for 3 hours, you made $45. If you worked for 4 hours, you made $60. And if you worked for 5 hours, you made $75. Now, what is the ratio of pay to hours? Well, this first one is 1 to 15. Guys, can't 2 over 30, doesn't that simplify down? Well, yeah, it simplifies down to 1 to 15. Doesn't 3 over 45 simplify down? Well, yeah, it simplifies to 1 over 15. Doesn't 4 over 60 simplify? Yes, it goes to 1 over 15. And finally, can't 5 over 75 simplify down? Yes, to 1 over 15. Guys, these are all equivalent ratios. All it's saying is you make $15 for each hour you work. So what does the 0.230 represent? For every 2 hour, or for 2 hours worked, you made $30. That's it, guys. That's easy. All right, next one. 5 boxes of candles contain a total of 60 candles. So right there, guys, 5 boxes is 60 candles. Each box holds the same number of candles. Complete the table and graph the relationship. So guys, how would you go from 5 to 60? Don't you just multiply by 12? So now what's 8 times 12? Well, that would be 96. But look at this last one. I'm going in the opposite direction. My arrow is in the opposite direction. So divide by 12. 120 divided by 12 is 10. So guys, it says, what is the unit rate of candles per box? Well, guys, how many candles are in each box? It says it right here. 12. 12 boxes in, 12 candles. 12 candles in each box. Graph the point 648. So remember, the boxes is your X, the candles is your Y. So go over to 6 and then up to 48. Does this represent an equivalent ratio? Well, let's see. I'm going to have to plot my other points first. Here's 560. Mr. Nolan, how do you know it went there? Well, on the x-axis, I went over to 5. And look at your y-axis. It skips a line 24. It skips a line 48. Each line represents 12. Aha, it's increasing by 12. So here's 560. Here's 896. And here's 10120. So, does the point 648 represent an equivalent ratio? Guys, is it on my graphed line? No. According to the graph, how many candles would be in 7 boxes? Well, guys, here's 7, and you go up. There should be 84 candles. And guys, if you didn't want to look at the graph, all you have to do was take the 12 candles in a box and multiply that by 7 boxes, and you would still get 84. All right, guys, that's literally it. That is how you graph a ratio and how you plot it in the table. It's that easy. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day. Please take notes from this video, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys.